This evening, we are going to change the oil and oil filter of the 1998 Toyota RAV4 of my daughter. The sun will be setting soon, so we're going to kind of rush this. So I started by removing the oil cap from the top of the engine and then locating the oil filter. This oil filter is easy to find, right behind the fan, right behind the radiator. Now we will locate the drain plug and remove it. Then remove the drain plug underneath the engine at the bottom of the oil pan. And then with a universal oil filter removal tool, we will loosen the oil filter. After releasing it, it's now loose. You can just gently unscrew it with your hands. Just one hand will do the job. There you go. We are replacing the old oil filter with the genuine Toyota oil filter for this Toyota RAV4. Make sure to lube the seal with oil before putting the new filter on. Alright, that's where the oil filter came from, and that's where we're going to put the new oil filter. First, we are going to thoroughly clean that opening. Put in the new oil filter and firmly tighten it with just one hand. Clean the drain hole area and return the plug. And using a number 14 socket, tighten the drain plug before we torque it. Now let's pour in new motor oil. For this Toyota RAV4, I chose Valvoline Max Life 5W30 fully synthetic motor oil. Note that just like the oil filter, do not over-tighten the engine oil cap. It is now time to put back the engine oil. Again, don't over-tighten. At this point, I've checked that the oil level is at the maximum line on the dipstick.